I'm glad you're driving, not me. Hi guys, how you doing? I'm Zach Watkins, the head football coach here at Washburn University. Cruising campus, passing around some Washburn merch to students. Our spring game is April 11th, next Friday, 6 p.m. We'll have a ton of giveaways, gift cards, Washburn football gear, free t-shirts, free admission. So love to bring you and your friends and invite everybody to come out, support the football team. We've been working hard. Next Friday, April 11th. Hope to see you guys there. Go Bods. All right, guys, you got to catch these. You're on camera. All right. You guys got to go to the spring game next Friday.
We'll be there. We'll be there.
See you guys. Hopefully this area is full next Friday with tents and grills and people excited about the game. Parents, family, alumni. Should be a great time. So make sure you guys bring your friends too. Make sure you guys bring everybody out next Friday, April 11th, 6 p.m. Hey, next Friday, April 11th, 6 p.m. If you could deliver food to this, hold on. April 11th, 6 p.m. next Friday. Bring your friends. Well, listen.